How much should you actually spend on car speakers? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Jvc Cs-J620 speakers. First up, we have the Jvc Cs-J620. Priced at just $29.99. These 6.5-inch coaxial speakers caught my attention with their potential for great sound without breaking the bank. If you want a solid upgrade for your car's audio system, this is worth a serious look. Here's why these speakers might solve your audio problems. They offer a power handling of 300 W peak and 30 W RMS. That means you get clear sound without distortion, whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or just cruising. With a frequency response from 35 Hz to 22 kHz and a sensitivity rating of 92 dB, you can expect dynamic audio that captures both highs and lows beautifully. The rubber surround and durable materials ensure they can handle everyday use without compromising sound quality. Honestly, this gives you a great audio experience for a low price, which is why over 23,700 people rated them 4.4 stars. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky if your car has specific limitations. Here's the thing, though. If you're comfortable with a little DIY, that's not a deal breaker. Just make sure to check your vehicle's requirements before diving in. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace factory speakers without spending a lot. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with any installation challenges. For the price, these speakers offer fantastic value. Product number 2. Pioneer TS F1634 are speakers. Now, if the Jvc's installation challenges worried you, take a look at the Pioneer TS F1634R. At $29, this speaker set is touted as a bestseller, and for good reason. If you want a simple stock replacement that delivers balanced sound, this is worth considering. What makes these speakers stand out? They deliver 200 W max power, which means clear sound at high volumes without distortion. The two-way coaxial design integrates a woofer and tweeter, ensuring a full range of frequencies that make your music come alive. With an impressive sensitivity rating of 88 dB, you'll enjoy good audio clarity even on lower power inputs, making them efficient. Plus, at 6.5 inches, they fit seamlessly into most vehicles, which is handy for easy upgrades. However, some users mentioned they felt the bass response could be better. But honestly, if you're just looking for a quality upgrade from factory speakers without going overboard, this is still a fantastic choice. This is great for you if you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss audio upgrade. Skip this if you're an audiophile seeking deep bass, but for the price, you get a solid performance. Product number 3. Kicker 46 CSE 354 speakers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want compact speakers. Meet the Kicker 46 CSE 354, priced at $51.96. These 3.5-inch speakers are perfect for tight spaces while still delivering great sound. With a power handling of 40 W RMS and 120 W peak, these speakers can pack a punch. The polypropylene woofer cone contributes to crisp sound quality, ensuring that even at higher volumes, you won't experience distortion. They also come with PI tweeters that provide smooth highs, which means your music will sound well-rounded. The compact design makes installation a breeze, fitting into smaller car interiors without a hassle. Plus, with a 4.6-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, it's clear that many users are pleased. Now, some have mentioned that they miss the fuller sound of larger speakers. Here's the thing, though. If space is your main concern and you still want clear audio, these are still a great choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace factory speakers in a tight space. Skip this if you prefer larger speakers for deeper bass, but they offer good value for the size. Product number 4. Kicker CS Series 6x9 speakers. Next up, if you're after something bigger, check out the Kicker CS Series 6x9 speakers, priced at $111.96. These speakers are designed for those who want serious sound performance in their vehicle. What sets these speakers apart is their heavy-duty motor and magnet structure that delivers ultra-clean bass. With a power rating of 150 watts, You can expect deep lows that really enhance your listening experience. The EVC Extended Voice Coil design allows for even better sound reproduction. Plus, they fit in a wide range of vehicles, making them versatile for many car owners. With a 4.7-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, plenty of people have loved their performance. However, some users have noted that they require more power to drive effectively, which can be a drawback for those with lower-powered systems. But honestly, if you're serious about upgrading your car audio and have the system to support it, these speakers are definitely worth it. This is ideal for you if you want deep bass and superior sound quality in a larger setup. Skip this if you have a low-powered system, but they provide excellent value for serious audio enthusiasts. Product number 5. Kicker CS Series 6x8 speakers. Lastly, we have the Kicker CS Series 6x8 speakers, priced at $79.96. These are another excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize sound quality without a huge investment. The performance is remarkable, thanks to its heavy-duty motor structure and EVC technology, which allows for deep bass and clear sound. With a well-designed polypropylene cone and zero protrusion PI tweeters, you get a balanced listening experience. They fit most vehicles, which is an added bonus for ease of installation. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,300 reviews, users are generally satisfied with their audio upgrade. However, some have mentioned that the installation could be a bit tricky. But here's the deal. If you're handy and willing to put in a little effort, these speakers are an incredible value for the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful sound upgrade without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're not comfortable with DIY installations, but the value for money is impressive. So there you have it, 5 great options for upgrading your car speakers. The Jvc Cs-J620 is fantastic for affordability and sound clarity, while the Pioneer TS F1634 are shines as a reliable stock replacement. The Kicker 46 CSE 354 is ideal for small spaces, and the Kicker CS Series 6x9 and 6x8 speakers offer powerful sound for serious audiophiles. Choose based on your needs and enjoy your new audio experience.